Hello and welcome to Shop Talk with Dan the Man. Whatever you're using for tools, whether it's a sliding miter saw, thickness planer, a router, a sander, a drill, a circular saw, an oscillating tool, a recip saw, a drill press, a table saw, a stringed trimmer, a belt sander, a jigsaw. So whether it's a couple tools that I've mentioned or any tool in your shop, you should always follow the proper safety protocol for each individual tool. Never ever get complacent in your shop. Always do safety. Shop Talk with Dan the Man. Have a great day.